Good afternoon, everyone. How are you, Irene? Let's go to here. It's time for IT class. Today, we will learn about drawing a square with Python. Please listen carefully. Your assignment has been put on Google Classroom. Don't forget to finish it. Let's learn about drawing a square with Python. At first, we need to import Turtle module. Turtle module has two functions: screen function and turtle function. Screen function can generate a screen. Turtle function can set up a turtle. Listen carefully. Turtle module has turtle function. Turtle function belongs to turtle module. Turtle function has two functions: forward function and right function. The forward function lets turtle go forward. If you write forward of 100, the turtle will go forward 100. And if you write forward of 1000, the turtle will go forward 1000. The right function lets turtle turn right. If you write right of 90, the turtle will turn right 90 degrees. Listen carefully. Look at this turtle. Which one is the right side of the turtle? A or B? And now, which one is right side of the turtle? A or B? How to use forward and right function to draw a square? Yes, forward and right repeat 4 times. Look at the turtle. Forward 100, right 90. Which one is the right side? A or B? And forward 100, right 90. Which one is the right side? A or B? And repeat 4 times. Now I have 3 questions. Does right function let the turtle turn right? Does forward function let the turtle go forward or turn right? How to use forward and right function to draw a square? It's activity time. It's your turn. Trying to draw a square with Python and finish the assignment on Google Classroom. You have 5 minutes. Please finish up. Time's up. Most of people finish the assignment. Good. Class is over. Don't forget to shut down your computer. See you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.